As a full accounting system, SuccessWare has available within it receivables processing in relation to the customers for whom you've done work. The Receivables Manager gives you quick access to your entire customer base of billing accounts, where you can search for them by last name, by address, by phone number, or you can simply pull up all accounts, filtering them for those that have open balances and those that are overdue. There's a full set of reporting available as well within SuccessWare's Receivables module, allowing you to do your traditional aging and open receivables reports, as well as a report that allows you to run full AR transaction reports looking for individual payments, deposits, even finance charges and invoices posted against individual customers or against all accounts within a particular date range. Within the Receivables Manager, you can also apply finance charges against customers with overdue balances. Once you've applied aging to your accounts, you have the option to post finance charges. These finance charges can be set up with a recurring monthly rate, and you choose the date which you'd like to apply. Once you've applied the finance charges, they'll be presented to you with the amounts that you're going to be charging to each customer, and you're able to post them against their accounts. Within the Receivables Manager, you'll have the ability to apply payments against a customer's account. In this case, I'm opening Steve Mendola, who has a single outstanding item for $605. When I open up the customer's billing account history, I have the ability then to select that outstanding invoice and choose Receipt. Through this receipt window, I'll be able to record the method of payment, in this case a check number, and because we selected the invoice in advance and the amount of the payment is equal to the outstanding balance of that single item, the system will automatically allocate the payment to the invoice. When I post, the invoice is paid in full. At any time, I can select a payment that's been made and press Enter to see exactly which invoice or invoices were paid with that particular payment. In this example, we have a customer who has multiple outstanding items. In this case, Joe Hamden has 3 outstanding items, and as we open up his account and look at his open items, we'll see that we have 2 invoices and a finance charge that's been applied against his account. In this case, we're going to take a single payment to satisfy the balance, and we'll have to manually allocate the balance against the individual outstanding items. In the same way, we'll record a payment. We'll identify the amount of the payment. Again, we'll identify our payment method, in this case the check number, and we're going to have to manually allocate. So we're going to post. What we get then is a list of all of the outstanding items on the customer's account. There's a few different options for allocating. We can apply the items one at a time, or we can use a keystroke and a shortcut item here that allows us to auto-apply the balance. In this case, each item will be paid oldest to newest until the amount of the payment is fully allocated. Post, and the customer's balance is now paid in full. From the Receivables Manager, we also have the opportunity to generate receivables statements for our customers. These statements can be run in batch for the entire list of customers with open balances or for an individual customer. The option to print batch statements will allow me to choose a date range and then print the series of receivables statements, or we could select any individual customer and generate a single statement. Once that statement has been generated, listing each of the outstanding items, a breakdown of the items with their aging status and finance charges, and a payment stub, we could either print the invoice or we could email it directly to the customer from within SuccessWare.